Hey everyone, so I'm very happy to say that today I had a really good meeting online with a Tier 1 enterprise. I can't say exactly who it is just yet, but they could become a DAV Alliance partner or even another kind of strategic partner. I guess we'll see. Also straightened out a few memorandums of understanding for some DAV Alliance candidates, and also had a great meeting with our external communications partner, Brightbeat. That's it for me today. I guess I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, last week Alex, Yurii and I worked on adding some new content to our website. So this content was already pushed live last week. Alex and Yurii made a fantastic job there. And today I'm working on some mild changes to our website and to our charging station's mission. This is it guys, thanks.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I started the day with editing 3 DailyDAV. And then we all had a birthday celebration for Hai on our roof. And then I helped Tal and Lior with creating a video background to the new homepage design. And they want to test some other options for that. I don't know if it will go live. And for the rest of the day, I'm gonna start working on Nick Johnson's interview. And that will be it for today. See you next time. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Lopardo here. Most of my work on Friday of last week, a little bit over the weekend, and then today as well, was building out the segmenting and email and marketing and social campaign and plan for and leading up to the token sale. So that's where most of my focus has been. And also today I did a good amount of work just to make sure that branding is aligned based off some new protocol verbiage we're using as it pertains to DAV and the system we're building. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alick here. This is my mom. My day went pretty well. It started by a non-working computer, which kind of other than that, actually, Chai had a birthday, so we celebrated with some nice treats, and the whole team were gathered around. I managed to secure a few interesting meetings for our upcoming attendance at the EcoMotion main event later this week, which we're really excited for. My marketing task is going pretty well, and that's about it. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye.
Hi everybody. Today I'm still going over the contracts of the crowd sale and checking for flaws and vulnerabilities, and that's it for me for today. Bye.
Hey there, Davers! So, heading into a very busy week, a lot of meetings, a lot of events. The EcoMotion conference is happening this week, in which I'll be speaking on stage. So I'm preparing for that, setting up a lot of meetings for the week. Also, I got a lot of feedback over the weekend from our blockchain advisors about the crowd sale smart contracts, and I'm going over them today. There were no security problems with anything, so that's great to hear. Just a few suggestions for improvements. Such as the ability to change the gas price limit in case there's, a CryptoKitties style event, things like that. So really great feedback. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi guys. At the end of last week, I focused on helping some of our contributors through the KYC process, also on social media, and we published our latest thought leadership piece in Medium. Today, I am going to be back focusing on social media. We're going to be publishing a community spotlight piece this evening, and of course, keeping up with the incoming emails and requests about the pre-sale. See you next time.
Hey Davers! Today I'm going on with Captain Sim flow. I'm not going to finish it by today, but maybe tomorrow. So, see you guys, bye!
Hi guys! Today I'm working on Captain Sky again. In general, the flow works pretty well. I have some last fixes and then to make it run with Docker. Bye bye!
Hi guys! Today I'll make a few changes in our new sections for homepage. I'll change background and a little bit our new illustration. Also, I'll make best quality logons in header. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow!